I feel sick. I feel sick. I don't feel well. I don't feel well. My head hurts. My head hurts. I have a cough. I have a cough. I have a fever. I have a fever. My throat hurts. My throat hurts. My stomach hurts. My stomach hurts. I need medicine. I need medicine. I go to the clinic. I go to the clinic. I wait for the doctor. I wait for the doctor. The doctor calls my name. The doctor calls my name. I sit in the chair. I sit in the chair. The doctor asks me questions. The doctor asks me questions. I tell the doctor my problem. I tell the doctor my problem. I say I have a fever. I say I have a fever. I say my head hurts. I say my head hurts. The doctor checks my throat. The doctor checks my throat. The doctor checks my temperature. The doctor checks my temperature. The doctor gives me a prescription. The doctor gives me a prescription. I take the paper. I take the paper. I go to the pharmacy. I go to the pharmacy. I show the prescription. I show the prescription. The pharmacist looks at it. The pharmacist looks at it. The pharmacist gives me medicine. The pharmacist gives me medicine. This medicine is for fever. This medicine is for fever. This medicine is for cough. This medicine is for cough. This medicine is for pain. This medicine is for pain. I ask how to take it. I ask how to take it. Take one pill now. Take one pill now. Take it after food. Take it after food. Take it with water. Take it with water. Don't take too much. Don't take too much. Take it 2 times a day. Take it 2 times a day. Take it in the morning. Take it in the morning. Take it at night. Take it at night. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. I take the medicine home. I take the medicine home. I drink some water. I drink some water. I take one pill. I take one pill. The medicine tastes bad. The medicine tastes bad. I don't like the taste. I don't like the taste. But I need the medicine. But I need the medicine. I rest in bed. I rest in bed. I sleep for a while. I sleep for a while. I take the medicine again. I feel a little better. My fever goes down. My cough is less now. I still need some rest. I eat soft food. I drink warm tea. I stay at home today. I follow the doctor's advice. I take all my medicine. I feel good again. Great job today. You did an amazing job with shadowing. Keep practicing every day. Read slowly first, then try faster. Shadowing helps you speak English clearly. It also helps you remember words and sentences. Don't worry about mistakes. Practice makes you better every day. Try shadowing with your friends or family too. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to NoteSaid24 channel. Share this video with your friends. See you in the next lesson. Bye.